Hello, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Hi, how are you? I hope you're doing well. So, I'm finally back after a very long time. If you're wondering why it took me so long to post this video, it's because I've been struggling to edit on my new laptop and it took me a lot of time to edit this. So I'm very sorry for being so late in uploading a video. It's been like what, 13, 14 days? Ooh, that's a long time. If you're wondering what I'm talking about, the laptop and stuff, I bought a new laptop and in my last video I did an unboxing of that. If you want to know more about it and stuff, I have linked the video down in the description box. You can check it out. So anyways, for today's video, I'm just showing you guys what I do on a Monday school day. I'm currently having special classes right now, so my classes will end by 12:30 p.m. Noon. So I'll be back by 12:30 from school, and I'll be just showing you guys what I do after school. So like studying and just laying around and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys what I do, and I think I'm gonna shoot this video on a Monday. Today's a Saturday actually. Okay, so on Monday I'll be showing you guys what I'll be doing, and yeah, that's it for today's video. So the normal YouTube things. Subscribe, like, and share if you want to know when I upload my videos. It could be really late and really early. You never know like this. So subscribe to know when I do that. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get on with it. Hello everybody, I'm back from school. Actually, I came back a few hours before. It's right now 3 p.m. I came back at 12:30 and I showered, I ate lunch, and I was just resting until now. And now it's 3, almost 3:30, and I have to do something. So today our social teacher said that we're going to have a unit test on our geography chapter, and I'm not really interested in geography. I kind of hate it, so I'm going to do like a quick recap of that chapter by watching a class right now, and then I'm going to like actually study geography. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing for this afternoon. So, hi again. It's 5 p.m. and I am here at my rooftop again. If you're wondering why, it's because, most of the time I'm home alone, so I just watch TV on my tab or screen time most of the time, or else I'll study, but I don't study 24/7, so I come to the rooftop here to have a nice little walk and I guess exercise. But I usually come at this time, but I guess the sun's not set yet and it's blinding my eyes right now. It's really sunny. I don't know why it's still sunny. It's supposed to like a bit dimmed down by now, but it's really blinding my eyes. But anyways, I'll just walk around here and have a little exercise thingy, I guess. Oh, and by the way, I love my fit right now. I just took up some clothes and put it together to like come up here, and I actually really like it, so I'm just gonna show you guys before I exercise, I guess. I'm going to do a voiceover over here because I don't think you guys can hear me, and I didn't bring my mic. So anyways, I'm showing you guys my fit check right now. I hope you guys can see me. Okay, so guys, this is so cute. Like, come on. I mean, in the camera it doesn't look that nice, but like it's so cute in real life. Like, oh my god, I love this so much. Like, originally I was just wearing that jeans and that white top, and then I added on this like overcoat thingy, and it looks so cute. I love it. Yeah, I'm gonna start wearing this from now on. Like, come on, you cannot tell me that's not cute. Okay, in the camera it might not look that cute, but in real life it's really cute and I really love it, so I'm gonna be wearing that from now on. And right now I'm walking. God, is it sunny. I swear to God, it's not really that sunny whenever I walk here. Like, it's usually sunset time. But I guess I come here like 5:15 something. I mean, I'm a bit early. It's like 4:55 when I came here, but then like, come on. I need to return this phone to my mom, so yeah, I gotta make this quick. So I'm done with the walking and stretching. It might not seem that much in the video because I didn't shoot my whole walking thing, you know, who wants to see that? But anyways, today's really nice weather. Like for these many days it was really hot, like really hot. But yesterday it rained, so it's kind of like a pleasant weather. And yes, the sun is blinding, but it's not like heat. There's no heat, it's just that the sun is like blinding us, that's all. It's like a really pleasant weather, and I love this kind of weather. Like, this is my favorite weather. Everybody says their favorite season is winter, mine is summer. I know, right? Pretty weird. Everybody says, oh my god, you don't hate the heat? And I'm like, I love the heat. Look at me wearing a sweater in summer. I love the heat. I don't know why people hate it. It's so fun. Like, you can go out and wear anything you want, do stuff like this. Like, when it's winter and it's rainy and stuff, I can't come out like this and I'm like locked up in my house. Like, it's so boring in my house. I'm just checking if someone's coming. I feel like it's the time where, like, you know, people come to the rooftop to like walk. It's that time and I'm just scared someone's gonna like come up behind me and I'm just gonna be sitting here talking to a phone. Oh shit, what was that? Holy shit, I think that was like a jet. Oh my god, there's a jet going on. Holy shit. That's so cool, but I don't think the camera will catch it. But yeah, this is what I do in the evenings. I dress up nice like this in case, you know, I see anyone that I know of, you know, my neighbors and stuff. So I just dress nice. I mean, it's kind of like an exception. I mean, it's kind of like an excuse to dress because all my outside wearing dresses are kind of like no use because I don't go outside at all. Like, I'm in my home 24/7, either studying, watching my tab, watching television, or just laying around. Yeah, I that's all I do every single day. So, you know, I gotta connect with nature and stuff because, like, I feel like whenever I stay home alone, people are like, oh my god, are you so sad? Are you depressed? Like, sometimes I look so depressed when I'm home alone and I'm like, where's the depressed? I am so chill. Look at me. I am okay, alright? Some people are like, do you want me to come over and stay with you? And I'm like, no thank you, no thank you, thank you, no need. I am fine on my own, alright? I love the nature and here we are. This is my evening routine. Alright, you don't have to worry about me. This is to all the people who worry about me. Oh my god, I'm so insecure that people are gonna come. Because I'm just sitting on the floor with no shoes and a phone in front of me and I don't think they can see the phone. I'm so scared. Anyways, I guess this is what I do. What's the time? Okay, in about 40 minutes, I have to go to my tuition class. It's online, so I don't have to like physically go anywhere. I just have to get home by 6. 6 p.m. I have tuition for max because, like I said in my old videos, I suck at math, so I need that. So I'm gonna walk here for like 40 minutes more, and then I'm gonna go home and attend my tuition. So yeah. Okay, you know what? Never mind. My dad just came home. I just saw him pull up. So I'm just gonna go. Even though there's still 40 minutes, I'm just gonna stay at home and like talk with him and stuff. I normally do that. I like read him when he gets home and we like talk about our day and stuff. So I'm just gonna go home now. So yeah. As you can see, I have a lot of things to do and I haven't done a single thing today. So my tuition ended at 7:30 p.m. and after that I straight went to do my biology lab report. Actually, it's our first time writing a lab report, so it took me some time to like write and I didn't know what to do. So it took me the whole night to do that report. So I ate dinner at like 9 p.m. and then I went back to the report and then I finished it by 10:30 and then I went straight back to bed. So yeah, that's what I did after tuition. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And let me clarify one thing. This is not a routine. I don't do this every single day. It's just that this day I was just not motivated to study. Like some days it's like this. Some days I'm like really excited to study and stuff. So this is not like a routine. This is what I did after school on that day. This is not a routine, okay? Don't mistake me. I know I'm in 10th grade. I'm supposed to be serious in my studies and stuff. So I am serious. It's just that in that day I just didn't have much motivation, I guess. I was not feeling it. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video and you know the normal YouTube thing. Subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So until then, bye.